In this video, we discuss the basic construction of a high-voltage underground XLPE cable. We review all layers of the cable, starting from the conductor up to the outer sheath. We also see the structure and purpose of each layer. First comes the conductor. Its main job is to carry current. Conductors are usually made of metals like annealed copper or hardened aluminium. Annealed copper provides good flexibility. Copper is already strong and hard, so it does not need extra hardening. Aluminium is softer, so it is hardened for use in cables. All power cable conductors are stranded, like overhead conductors. In very large cross-sections, we sometimes use a Millikan conductor. A Millikan conductor is a finely stranded conductor divided into several segments. Each segment is separated by thin insulation. This design increases current carrying capacity. The detailed reason can be discussed separately. Because the conductor is stranded, its outer surface is not perfectly smooth. Small gaps remain between strands. Due to this uneven surface, very high voltage can create uneven electrical stress. This may damage the insulation. To avoid this, a semiconducting conductor screen is applied over the conductor. This layer fills the gaps between strands and makes the surface smooth. Since it is semiconducting, it helps equalize the voltage stress on the conductor surface. Next comes the XLPE insulation. The thickness of this insulation depends on the cable's voltage rating. Over the insulation, another semiconducting insulation screen is applied. Its purpose is also to distribute the electric field uniformly. Modern manufacturing uses triple extrusion. The conductor screen, insulation, and insulation screen are extruded together. This almost eliminates air gaps and bubbles between layers. Above this, a metallic sheath is provided. It can be aluminium or lead. Its thickness depends on the short circuit current rating. This metallic sheath acts as an electrical shield. It prevents external electric fields from affecting the conductor and vice versa. The metallic sheath is earthed. Over the metallic sheath, a PVC inner sheath is extruded. This layer mainly serves as a bedding for the armor. It holds the armor in place. Then metallic armor is applied around the cable. It can be round steel wire armor or flat steel strip armor. Both are made of steel. Armor provides mechanical protection. Finally, a black PVC outer sheath is applied over everything to protect the cable from moisture, chemicals, and environmental damage. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more high-voltage engineering content. Your support motivates us to bring deeper technical knowledge in simple language. See you in the next video.